Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi, my name's Ethan Rossler. I'm a welding engineer here at Miller Electric. Today, we are here to talk about common issues you might encounter when MIG welding aluminum. Porosity, smut, burn-through, lack of fusion, and hot cracking are some of these common issues. Hot cracking is caused by crack-sensitive bead profiles, using the wrong filler metal, or crack-sensitive chemistries in the molten weld pool. A common location for hot cracks to occur is in the crater of your weld. These are referred to as crater cracks. A common fix is to re-trigger and fill in the crater with a short weld. A more consistent and more efficient option is setting a crater parameter on your welder. When welding aluminum, a concave bead profile can increase your susceptibility to hot cracking. As you can see in this example, the concave bead on the left cracked, but the bead with proper convexity on the right has not. This kind of cracking can also be seen in root passes that are thin and concave. Hot cracking occurs because the base material and filler metal freeze at different rates. If the base material solidifies before your filler material, it can cause stress on your weld before it's solidified. If you're having crack problems, crack sensitivity curves are a good resource. As you can see in this chart, when small amounts of common aluminum alloying elements are added to aluminum, the crack sensitivity increases dramatically. This is why common filler metals have high alloy percentages. 4943 and 4043 have between 5 and 6% silicon, and 5356 has between 4.5 and 5.5% magnesium. Dilution of your filler metal and base material while you are welding is also important. Even if you use the proper filler metal, if you don't have enough dilution, you may end up with an alloy percentage near the crack sensitivity peaks. Referencing Hobart's filler metal selection chart is the simplest way to ensure you are using the correct filler metal for the material you are welding on. To learn more, visit millerwelds.com/aluminum.